Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Today on Taste Test, we're tasting 5 Food Network stars mac and cheese recipes and seeing which one we like the best.
Okay, who do we have here?
Ree.
Bobby.
Bobby. Guy.
Guy. Jada.
Jada and Sunny. I think I'm gonna like Ree.
Yeah.
Ree's because she's so nice.
It's like comfort.
Yeah.
It's like we're in Oklahoma.
Exactly.
I like macaroni as the pasta. I'm not crazy about other ones.
That's a good point.
Because it's mac and cheese.
That's a good
It's
point.
macaroni.
I agree. Definitely needs to be an elbow macaroni noodle.
Smells good.
Okay, I'm seeing some green. There's
Has a nice
definitely
crust.
some herbs. Oh yeah. These are not elbow noodles.
What do you call this type of noodle?
Literally never seen this noodle before.
I don't know what you would call that.
Okay, but my thought is that it looks like a white sauce, which makes me believe I'm feeling the Jada vibes for this one.
Oh,
And there's some
okay.
there's some green herbs in here, which
Yeah,
feels very
that feels
elegant,
like, yes.
effortless California.
That's so Jada,
entertaining.
yeah.
Okay, let's taste.
After you, please.
Oh, such a gentleman. Whoa.
Really cheesy.
Wait a second. Is this pancetta?
It's a pancetta.
It's Giada.
This is Jada.
It totally is.
I like the cheddar, the white cheddar.
What kind of cheese do you use in here?
I have no idea.
Mozzarella.
Ooh.
Bacon
Crunchy topping. That's like
and
panko.
penne.
So I thought this was gonna be Jada because of the panko.
Yeah.
But you know who I think also uses panko?
Who?
The Pioneer.
Oh. Let's try it.
Go for it.
Okay.
Well, I'll get this noodle.
I like the flavor of this cheese more, I think.
I know. Ooh, that's so different.
I think it's a good pasta casserole.
Okay.
I don't think it's mac and cheese. I think it's
Agreed. It doesn't scream mac and cheese
No.
to me. I think it's because the noodles are penne.
The bacon's really tasty, I have to say. It is a welcomed addition to this macaroni
Yeah,
and
I
cheese.
do like the
Yeah,
burnt
definitely.
crispy situation.
I think this is like Sunny Anderson.
I think it's Sunny too.
I think
you know
this is
why?
Sunny.
Because there's bacon on it.
That's
She loves
but
bacon.
She likes to think outside the box.
So I'm gonna go with
Okay.
Bobby.
Okay.
Yeah, I think number 2 is Bobby.
Okay.
Elbow macaroni.
Yay!
Finally!
With bread. Like bread.
Croutons on top.
Okay.
I thought these were hash browns, but they're like
No, croutons, yeah.
Ooh, those are like garlic,
Do you know what this is?
herby.
Okay.
Do it,
Oh, hold up.
What?
What is this? Is that cream? Is that cottage cheese?
It tastes like a burger.
This is great. I'm going Sunny all the way.
I said maybe Guy, but now I'm going your way. I think
just like
definitely
comfort.
Sunny. Definitely.
Take me to Flavor Town. I know who this is. I think.
You
I think.
think?
Woo! I think
think
this
you
is
could-
a solid guy recipe.
I think you could get creative like this for sure.
I like this. This
like
is
that
so
one
far
too.
so good.
Macaroni noodles, plus check. We have cheese melted on the top, which is another check. There's definitely some meat in there, another check. And creamy sauce.
Okay. Oh, I just got a real good bite. Really good bite here.
I love that. That's like pancetta.
Uh-oh. I have new thoughts. Jada.
You think this is Giada?
That has that smoky saltiness.
Oh no, maybe this is Giada.
This is very
bite.
good.
This has heat. I think this is Bobby.
This is so good.
You hear that noise?
I would say out of the 4 we've tried so far, I'm gonna say this is my least favorite.
Definitely my favorite so far, for sure.
I already know.
You already
this is,
know.
Yes,
You think it's
100%.
Reese?
This is Ree. This is one of those recipes.
Do you think if we get it right, she'll invite us to her ranch?
I hope so.
This is just very simple. Creamy.
Yep,
Iconic.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Wait a second. There's like something in there. What is
I
that?
have no idea.
It's really sharp. This tastes like there's like wasabi in there or something.
I can't hate it. It's mac and cheese. It tastes good no matter what. It's cheese and pasta.
It's like you look at it and you think this is like your all-American mac and cheese.
It does not taste like that though.
But it does not
No.
taste like that.
Not at all.
It's not my favorite.
Okay, my favorite is definitely between 1 and 2. I love the creamy white sauce on this one. Number 1. Number 2, panko and
Yeah.
like the gooey
And the bacon,
bacon and like the whole texture combo did it for me.
definitely.
What about you?
I was between 2 and 3.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna go with 3 because
Oh,
of this
curveball.
little crouton situation on top. and the cream cheese that also has a little kick to it.
It's a toss-up between number 3 and number 4, but I think
Okay.
due to the heat level, I'm gonna go with number 3.
Okay, number 4 is my favorite.
Let's see, number 3 is Sunny's.
Oh my goodness! Sunny Anderson!
Stop it!
Sunny, this is amazing.
Hi, Sunny.
Hey, girl.
Bobby, you were right! I get that.
I know you, Bobby.
I'm gonna go with 2.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna say it's Freeze.
Really?
Yeah, because there's bacon in it.
Guy!
Oh,
we're so off.
The panko resembles his hair.
Gianna, okay, yes. Okay,
you,
that's number
girl.
1.
Number 5, so we're left with 3.
And we're right.
We're right.
She's feeding those kids on those ranch.
Yep.
I had so much fun eating these mac and cheeses today.
This was
Did
so
you?
fun.
Yeah.
And also, it's lunchtime at Food Network, so this timing worked out really well for me.
Yeah.
I think this was quite successful.
Me too.
And we had
my
a great
gosh.
bowl of, I love this. You wanna try this?
No, I just wanted this Bobby
Okay.
Flay one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments down below what you want to see next on Taste Test.